Hello everyone, I'm Owais Mirchawala, your tutor for Advanced Taxation. Welcome to online recorded classes for ATX course. This course is for Finance Act 2021, and in this course we will be studying the tax year of 2021-22. It is relevant for the students who are giving exam in June 2022, September 2022, December 2022, and March 2023. I am Owais Mirchawala, having experience of more than 30 attempts of teaching this course. 9 of my students have secured nationwide positions in this exam. Now, just a brief introduction about my course. So, I always say to my students that my course is not just recorded classes. It is a complete journey in which we will be having complete course coverage, topical past paper practice. At the end of the course, we will be doing revision past paper sessions on the CBE practice platform, and along with this, you will be getting the query support. You people can ask me queries at any time on my WhatsApp number. The most important facility which I offer to my students is the marking facility. I mark their answers and give them feedback so that they can understand the writing approach for these professional exams. Now, when we talk about the advanced taxation course, as you all know that in optional papers, we have 4 optional professional papers. You people can go for advanced taxation, advanced audit and assurance, advanced performance management, and advanced financial management. Many students ask me this question that, sir, why should we opt the advanced taxation course? What is the benefit of doing it? Now, advanced taxation course is only available in UK variant. Now, the students who plan to move towards UK, the advanced taxation course is their top pick. The other benefits of opting this course is that it has one of the highest pass rates in optional papers. Normally, the advanced tax paper pass rate is around 43%, whereas other professional papers have pass rates around 30 to 35%. So it is an easy paper to pass. The most important benefit of opting this paper is that if you plan to go for ICAEW, then advanced taxation is the mandatory paper which you have to give, because this paper will allow you 2 exemptions in ICAEW. Okay, so advanced taxation is one of the easy paper to pass. It's a practical paper. If you plan to go towards UK or European countries, this paper will help you a lot. And the most important thing is that if you want to go for ICAEW, then advanced tax is the mandatory paper you should be going for. Now, when we talk about the advanced tax course, as you all know, the tax course is always lengthy. If you people have studied the basic tax paper, which we call as F6, the TX paper, then you people should have remembered that it was also a lengthy paper. So advanced tax is also a lengthy paper, and it involves small detailing. Now, some students who haven't studied the basic taxation course, for them, I'll say that there is no need to worry, because my teaching approach is from very basic. I teach with an assumption that students do not have any background knowledge, and I will cover each and every topic in detail. So the course is lengthy, the course is long, but there is no need to worry, because when you are studying with me, you will be getting a detailed support from the very basic. I'll be covering each and every topic from the very scratch, because my aim is to add more and more nationwide positions. And as stated earlier, 9 of my students have already secured nationwide positions, which include positions in Middle East, positions in Pakistan, positions in Nepal. In all these countries, my students have secured nationwide positions. Now, when we talk about the advanced tax course, it is an easy to pass paper, as reflected in its pass rate, that its pass rate is far more than other professional papers. But it's a lengthy course, so you need to have patience, you need to concentrate, and you have to remain connected so that you can cover each and every topic, and you have to do regular revisions. The course is not technical, but it's lengthy. Like when we talk about the course of advanced financial management, that paper is pretty much tricky. But when we talk about advanced taxation, it is not a tricky paper. When we talk about advanced audit and assurance, you need to have good writing skills, but in ATX, there is no such requirement. Only skill required in ATX is to learn rules. You need to memorize the rules. You need to learn the rules. There are many small rules which require learning and memorization on behalf of the student. Okay? Now, many students ask me that, sir, the advanced text paper is computer-based. We have to give the exam on the practice CB platform. Will it be difficult or it will be easy? So my reply is no need to worry. We will do 5 to 6 papers on the practice platform, and I will also give you the mock exams on the platform. The approach which I'll be teaching for the practice platform, believe me, the CBE approach will be very easy for you. Okay, we will be covering all the course areas in very much detail with an assumption that students have zero background knowledge. I will go in very much detail. We will cover all the course areas. We will do the topical past papers. We will look at the assignments, each and everything. And then at the end of the course, we will do the yearly past paper sessions. Okay, these yearly past paper sessions are very much useful. Now, why? Now listen to the point. Normally, when the students prepare for the exam, what they do is that they study the topic and they do the topical past papers. Doing topical past papers is not a big deal because you just revise the topic and you have to do the past paper. But when you deal with a complete paper, now this is the point, some good skills, because complete paper is a mix of all the topics. It requires good memory. It requires good knowledge. So my teaching approach is that we do the past papers 2 times. First, we do the past papers with each of the topic, and then at the end of the course, we do yearly papers. Topical past papers is for the clarity of the topic, whereas the yearly past papers is to give you people an idea that how you have to deal with the complete paper, how you have to deal with the time management. So at the end of the course, we will do 5 attempts yearly past papers in the class. These will also be the recorded sessions, so you will be able to listen to them on your convenience. Now, the most important facility. At the end of the course, I'll be giving you the mock exams. Now, your assignments and your mock exams, I will be marking them and I will be giving you feedback on them. The purpose of giving you feedback is to give you the guidance. Now, in the professional exams specifically, every student thinks that he's writing correct. The most important thing is the guidance that the teacher has to mark that where you are doing the error. So this marking facility will help you improve your writing skill. Now, when we talk about the study resources, I will be giving you the recorded lectures. I will be recording the lectures and will be providing you the recorded lectures. Now, many students ask me that, sir, why not live sessions? Now, there are some reply to it. First of all, the purpose of recorded sessions is to give convenience to the students. Many students live in different time zones and everyone has their own comfort zone. I'm living in a different time zone and the students globally live in different time zones. There are many students studying different comfort zone, like someone's like to study in the morning, someone like to study in the afternoon, some people like to study at night time. So everyone has their own comfort zone. So through recorded lectures, you will be able to listen the lectures at your best available time. Okay, number one, you will be able to study on your best available time. You will be able to study on your own pace. Like if today you have more time, you can complete 3 lectures. Next day you don't have time, you can do a half lecture. Then next day you have greater time, you can complete 5 lectures. So you'll be able to listen to on your own convenience. Now, what about the queries? So you have my WhatsApp number. Here is my WhatsApp number. Whenever you have query, feel free to just WhatsApp me. That, sir, I want to ask this. Normally, I reply instantly. But if there is a delay, like if I'm in a class or if I'm busy, maximum one day, you will get a response to your query. So it will be just like studying in the class. So don't have any second thought that maybe recorded lectures are not good or something like that. I said at the very start, these are not just the recorded lectures. It's a complete journey with me. It's a complete journey. It's a complete journey of more than 200 hours. A complete journey, complete coverage, revision sessions, query support, marking facility. Okay, the most important thing in recorded sessions is that you can rewind the things again and again. You can look at the things again and again. Like if you have missed one thing, you can look at it again. If you have forgotten any topic, you can revise it. Okay, so recorded sessions are as good, or I would say they are much better than the live sessions. Just the important thing is the commitment at your end that you have to complete them on time. You have to make a schedule like, okay, I will complete 1 lecture at least in a day. Maybe you wake up early in the morning, or you listen it before going to the office, or you complete it during the office lunch hour. Whenever you get time, you can do it. Whenever you have any query, feel free to WhatsApp. But believe me, you will not have any query. My sessions are so detailed that 99% of the students don't have any query. They are very detailed, they are very comprehensive. So the lectures, in those lectures, we will cover all the topics. We'll be doing the practice questions, almost 300 practice questions. These practice questions are done to give you clarity on the concepts. Then we do yearly past papers 2 times. One is topical and one is revision sessions where we do complete past papers. Then I will give you my summary notes. The entire course of advanced taxation is summarized on 40 pages. Now, these summary notes help you to learn the rules, help you to remember the rules. And obviously, the CP practice platform is also included so that you people can have an idea that how you have to deal with the CBE exam. My complete booklet will be provided to you in the soft copy form on the course attachment tab of the learning management system. Then my handwritten notes on each of the topic. Like if you look at my folder, it's so organized. Like for example, when we'll be studying the topic of basic income tax calculation, you will be getting my handout, which is handwritten in this form. Each and every practice question, all the rules, each and everything. No need to read the book. Just listen to my lecture. Just complete my documents. On every topic, I have my notes. I have my own handwritten documents so that you people can have an idea that how you have to deal with the course. Okay, so advanced taxation course, UK variant, ATX course. It has good pass rates. It leads to exemptions in ACCA EW. Okay, the course is long. We need to memorize the rules, but no need to worry because we'll be studying each and everything from the very scratch. We'll be studying each and everything in very much detail. Okay, practice platform, practice questions, topical past paper, yearly sessions. Each and everything is included in my course. Okay? And obviously, you are studying from an experienced tutor who has been teaching this course for more than 30 attempts. I have been selected by ACCA multiple times as an official tutor for practice to pass sessions conducted by ACCA. You people can go and check me on the ACCA YouTube channel also. Like when you will go in on the ACCA official YouTube channel, you will click on the practice to pass sessions. You will be able to find my sessions on ACCA official channel. Okay, so I am tutor of advanced taxation. I also teach advanced audit and assurance, law and business technology course of ACCA. And then if someone wants to go for ACCA EW, I also teach strategic business management. 9 students have secured nationwide positions in ATX course, whereas if I talk about my total positions in all of the papers of ACCA and ICW, there are 20 nationwide positions. Okay, so just have trust, listen to my lectures carefully, and then you will be able to decide. Okay, now when we talk about the course outline of advanced taxation course, it is divided in 2 major portions. One is individual taxation and the other part is the taxation of companies. These are the 2 major areas. When we talk about the taxation of individuals, we need to look at the basic income tax return, that how we make the basic income tax return of individuals. Pensions. Now, what is pension? That if someone invests in the pension funds, the tax reliefs which HMRC allows. Okay, so in the individual taxation, we will be discussing that how the basic income tax return is made. What about the pensions? Now, the UK government encourage people to invest in the pension funds, because when we invest in the pension funds, the tax department gets happy because UK is a welfare state. If people will not invest in pension, the government has to fund them through state-funded plans. So we'll talk on basic income tax return. We have to talk on the pension funds, that how the tax department encourages them. Then we have some tax-efficient investments, which the tax department encourages. So people invest in small companies. In order to attract the people to invest in small companies, there are some tax-efficient investments on which the tax department give reliefs. Now, all of these chapters will be discussed in detail when we'll start our course. The basic purpose today is to just list down so that you people can have an idea that what this course is about. So basic tax return, pension funds, tax-efficient investments are those investments on which we get tax reliefs. Then we have issues relating to employment income. Many of you must be doing a job. So if you do a job in UK, then how the employment income is taxed. What about the cash benefits? What about the non-cash benefits? How they are dealt with? So we'll be discussing with the employment income issues, trading income issues if you are doing a business, property income issues if you earn rentals. Okay, then inheritance tax if you get any gift, if someone gifts you an asset during life, or if you get an inheritance, a dead estate. If someone dies in the family and you get an inheritance, then you have to pay tax on it. Capital gains tax if you dispose of any asset. Overseas issue if you have any overseas incomes. So all of these chapters are discussed in individual taxation, and it is almost of 60 marks. So the first area which we will be covering in advanced taxation will be taxation of individuals. Once done with taxation of individuals, in which we discuss the basic income tax return, employment income, the business income, trading income, rental income, which is covered in property income, inheritance taxes, the taxes on gifts. All of these will be discussed in detail. Today, we are just listing them down. Obviously, I can't teach these topics in the orientation lecture. Still, if someone wants to try my few more lectures, you people can find them on my YouTube channel named as Owais Mirchawala. Then once done with individual taxation, we'll be moving towards the corporation tax, the taxation of companies. We'll look at the basic tax return of the companies. Then we'll be looking at the losses and the group losses, because in companies we can make the groups. There are capital gains groups, 75% group, consortium groups. So we'll be discussing all of these topics in corporation tax. Then family companies, the company capital gains tax issues. Then the company small matters, which include overseas company taxation, research and development issues, transfer pricing issues. So these all issues will be discussed. So 60 marks come from individual taxation, 30 marks come from corporation taxes. Then we have some small areas such as value-added taxes, the indirect taxes. I hope you remember the difference between the direct taxes and indirect taxes. Direct taxes apply on our incomes, whereas indirect taxes apply on the products. Like when you buy a water bottle, or when you buy shoes, or when you buy a mobile phone, value-added tax is charged on it. So we'll be having a discussion on value-added tax, which is an indirect tax. Indirect taxes are charged on products, whereas direct tax, like income tax, corporation tax, capital gains tax, they are charged on our incomes. So we'll be discussing the rules relating to value-added taxes. Then there is a small issue, stamp duty taxes, when we register shares or a property. Then we'll be having discussion on ethics. When we are accepting client, what we need to consider. If any client is doing tax avoidance, what we should be doing. Ethical matters. And then tax administration, like when we have to pay the tax. So this is a brief course outline. Obviously, I haven't gone in the detail because, as stated, today is just an orientation and the purpose was to list down the topics. Now, the last thing in the orientation is about the paper structure. You'll be having 4 questions. Question 1, 2, 3, and 4. Question 1 is of 35 marks. It is from individual taxation, like employment income, trading income, losses, overseas issues. So this question number 1 is normally from individual taxation. Then question number 2 is from corporation taxes, the taxation of companies. In question number 3, there is again individuals. Normally, this examiner asks capital gains tax and inheritance taxes in question number 3. In question 3 and question 1, these are from individuals, like 35 plus 20 trades, like 55 to 60 marks, which we get from individuals. Then question 2 is corporation. Question number 4 can be from corporation or it is from miscellaneous areas. Like the examiner asked about value-added taxes. He can give some individuals also. Sometimes he asks about the administration issues, like when a particular tax is to be paid. So things like that. So when we talk about this advanced taxation course, the key to pass this exam is practice. The key to pass this exam is memorizing the rules. Okay? The most important thing is that you have to revise the things. You have to repeat the things. And the best thing which I make sure in my lectures is that I repeat them. I do regular revisions. Like we study a topic, we do a practice question, we do topical past papers, then we have summary notes. we do a lot of practice. The basic aim of that lot of practice is to make sure that people memorize the rules. Things get settled in your mind. And then at the end of the course, I give revision past paper sessions so that the things get concrete, they get fixed in your mind. And after all of this, if you have any query, you people can ask me on my WhatsApp. You will have my support there. Okay, so advanced taxation journey with me, with Owais Mirchawala, will be a good journey. I hope that you people will join me. And if you have any queries, you can ask me on my WhatsApp. Okay, so the basic aim of the today's session was to give you an idea that what this course is about, how the paper will be structured, how I will be facilitating you, and most importantly, who I am, so that you people can have a trust that yes, you are in good hands and you'll be able to progress in this paper with good marks. Okay, so if you have any query, you people can ask me on my WhatsApp. Okay, and from the next class, we will be starting this course formally from the first chapter, which is basic income tax return in individuals. Okay, thank you, everyone.